আমি ভালো আছি. Like I am talking in Bengali, you must be
Yeah, I know.
understand.
I'm
Yes.
ভালোবাসি।
Not ভালোবাসি, ভালো আছি.
Okay, अच्छी, अच्छी। मतलब I am a
हाँ.
good, I'm a good. Like that,
Yes, yes. In Chhattisgarh, how you say like this?
আমি ভালোবাসি, so we can say that मैं बढ़िया हूँ।
Oh, that is like Hindi.
Yeah, but
Hello.
yeah, hi.
How are you?
Yeah, I'm fine. What about you?
Yeah, I'm also great. So you tell me something about yourself, then I will tell myself.
Okay, I'm introducing myself firstly. So this is Anchal, and I'm from Chhattisgarh, and I'm a college student as well as little bit YouTuber. That's all about
Oh,
me.
that's nice.
Yeah.
Yes. That's really great.
You. I know your introduction.
Yeah, definitely. My name is Kaijar and I'm from West Bengal. We are so closer to each other. And
Yeah, I know.
I can say I also a student, and as well as I'm working in private sector. That is the need for my side. So I work over there as a back office staff. So I told you that I'm a student. Like which types of student? I am studying in open university. There is no need to go every day in college. That is open
Like a
university.
private. We consider private.
Not private. It's
Yeah, it's
did you heard
yeah,
about?
it's a gourmet, but you fill up your form in admission time like a regular or I don't know what private. So
No,
I
distance.
think
You are asking me distance?
I don't know.
No, not
I'm
like
confused.
that. No, not like that. Actually, I'm studying over there as a for grab that certificate, and I just completed myself that I also in future graduate. That's the main reason. And
Okay.
I completed 2 years over there, and this year is third year. Maybe 8 or 9 months it will take, and after that I will be fulfill my graduation. That's it. And if you talk about me, that I also working on YouTube, and because I love to speak, because English is the great according to me learning platform, I can say learning language, because that's why I'm also here. So tell me, you always, I have seen your videos, you are always energetic to talk, jackass, like these types of words.
Yeah.
I love to listen those types of words. Why you are not talking on that route?
What? I'm not understanding.
Oh, I can say you always try to speak with anyone as like energetic, and you always talk like jackass, fantastic, like this. That is showing
Yeah.
that how you are energetic. Your way of talking, understand me? Yes, you are energetic to talk like this.
Yeah. I always speak with full of confidence. My rule is do mistake with confidence. Then people will be not check your mistakes.
Yes, that's great. According to me, it's really amazing. Your way of talking, your consistency talking, I definitely appreciate you, because this is good for learning both.
We are improving our spoken English as well as make your speaking attractive. Then people will be interested to hear your voice, hear you like that. Yeah. So I tried.
And that's why my question a few minutes ago I asked you why you were not started on that route.
Oh, I thought every I speak with everyone like that, so it will be copy paste like that.
Yeah.
So
no
I
need,
thought
but
today
your way of talking, it's, I must say, unique.
Okay, so I'm super duper jackass type. Now, okay?
Yes, it's fine to listen. It's fine to listen. Yeah. So
Okay.
you are in college student. Like you completed your 2 years or 3 year or 1 year. Like your first year,
I'm
second
a
year is.
I'm in second year, BA second year student. I just got admission in second year, so I can say that I'm a junior. You are a senior than me.
Oh yes, 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 yes. Okay, it's
Yeah,
happen, no problem, because
yeah,
we are learner. Whatever the way we can learn, that is our unique point. So you are
yeah.
junior, I'm senior. What is the benefit?
It
Nothing is
doesn't
benefit.
matter. It's
If I not talk properly with you, then I'm not talk like I'm senior. I'm not talking properly. It's not perfect to say like this.
yeah, yeah. So because in learning, we both are learner. We are not
Yeah,
in learning purpose.
exactly,
No one is
exactly.
here senior and junior. We both are learner. We are same
Yes, we
level.
are learner. That's why we are here. We are expressing. We are, we just motivating others through our videos. So it's
Yeah,
really unique according to me, and it's really neat. If you change your surroundings, so you must have to do these types of activity. And I also doing these types of activity because
yeah,
I want to see myself that I can do in my surroundings, that this is the unique platform, this is the unique language. I can talk whole world without fear. So I must appreciate that. Yes, this is unique because without knowledge, how can I talk to you?
yeah,
Without understanding this knowledge, it's not possible to talk, because you are I can say you are stranger than me, because you are a stranger for my side, because today we are first meeting to
yeah.
each
It's
other.
our first meeting.
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay. So I have some questions. So can I ask if I want any problems?
Yeah, obviously.
Okay. So how many languages do you speak? Like English and Bengali. I know Hindi. What
Okay, you are asking me how many languages I can
you
speak.
speak? Yeah.
Oh, I know my native is Bengali, and Hindi is common, but
Yeah.
Hindi is uh, not
But you
need
can
to
speak,
talk.
na? But you
Hmm.
can speak.
Yes,
Yeah.
yes.
So
And
I
still I'm learning English. That is
yeah.
three, at least
That's
three
oh,
language. Hmm.
okay. That's good.
What about you?
Yeah, I know like Hindi, English, and my native language is Chhattisgarhiya. So
Hmm.
and a little bit I know Urdu, Punjabi like that. That's all.
Oh my God, you know
Little
already
bit.
five languages.
No, but I'm not doing PhD in that language. Little bit I can
Okay.
understand.
No, 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 no need to for learning purpose any language PhD. There is no need.
Yeah,
But
but you can
you
say
are
I'm learn.
capable.
Yeah,
Hmm.
you can say that I'm a language crusher. I like to learn and like to speak in new languages. That's why I learn
Okay.
sometime.
Oh,
Yeah.
fine. So how you manage everything? Like you are speaking in English this time. It's okay. You are learning this stage. But you told me that you were class to learn five language. You told me Urdu, Punjabi. It's like different, because
Yeah.
there is no need. There is no need. But you have class to learn. Is it?
Languages. Yeah, yeah.
Yes,
So
yes.
during my conversation, I speak sometimes some Punjabi words, some
Oh,
Chhattisgarhiya words. It will be interesting, so that's why I like to learn.
okay.
You,
So tell me
whenever you
something
will,
unique words in Chhattisgarh.
okay. So you can tell me some word, then I will tell in Chhattisgarhiya. You tell.
Oh, what I have to say, like you have to say, আমি ভালো আছি. Like I am talking in Bengali, must be
Yeah, I know.
understand.
I'm
Yes,
ভালোবাসি.
not ভালোবাসি, ভালো আছি.
Okay, अच्छी. मतलब I am a
Uh-huh.
good. I'm a good. Like that,
Yes, yes. In Chhattisgarh, how you say like this?
I'm a भालोबासी, so we can say that मैं बढ़िया हूँ.
Oh, that is like Hindi.
Yeah, but its accent is different a little bit. मैं बढ़िया हूँ. Accent is different.
Like
Uh,
related, everyone can understand. Is it?
Yeah. Like Urdu, Hindi, and my language, they all are a little bit
Something
similar.
similar.
Yeah, and some words are
So,
different. Yeah.
so how long have you been learning this language, like English language?
So actually, I am belong to total Hindi medium, and still I'm in Hindi medium. And
Mm-hmm.
before, during in India pandemic, I started my English journey, and now I'm learning.
Okay. So you invest at least 1 year, according to me, or 8 or 9 months.
Yeah, 8 or not 8 months. Properly, I started my practice, so we can say 8 or 9 months. Yeah.
Okay. It's good. So you understand that situation, then you need to learn. You need to speak. So there is any situation you talk with your friends in English language?
I never talk with my friends because
No.
if I will talk na, so they will be got it is she is a Angrejan like that. So I never
Angrezi,
talk.
one way,
Yeah,
like this.
yeah. So if I
Why?
will talk,
Why?
so
You
they will
know.
be think. Yeah,
Okay, go ahead.
yeah. Carry on. You.
Like this, because you are the friend of them, is it? So you have courage, you have capability how to talk. Why they are also thinking like my friend also thinking like this? So why their mentality going on that route? So you can manage them, you can understand them. So why you are thinking like me? Like why you are thinking in this route? Because we need to learn.
Yeah, we need to learn, and I also sometimes speak some English words. So my friends they ask me what is the meaning of that. So I told, and yeah, I speak deep. First I see what is the situation. There is a friendly situation. If there will be sad situation and I will be speak in English, so ho gaya.
Okay.
So
Yeah,
I
I must
speak, but
appreciate you. We are too much energetic, too much laughing girl. So it's really unique. I must
learn with
appreciate.
fun. Learn
Yes,
with fun.
yes. Yeah,
Yeah,
yeah.
if you will learn with fun, so you will be more energetic, more interesting, and people will be
Mm-hmm.
get motivated from you. And if you will
Yeah.
like to, hi, how are you? What are you doing? So people will like, I don't like, I
You,
don't know how to speak in serious
no.
way. I
Your way of talking, I appreciate. I really love to listen your words, listen your voice, and your
okay.
expression also on that route, which is need for conversation purpose.
Yeah. I don't know how to speak in serious way. I always do smile in every situation. I don't know how. If you will watch my videos there, I'm always laughing, always in during all
Yes,
videos.
everyone love to see your videos. It is the funda of, I can say this is the funda of, watching such types of video, because who is too much energetic to talking, so that video is too much viral, I must say. And that video is really, I also watch some of videos that I feel, yes, we need to speak energetic way, and your
I
way
like to
of
watch
talking,
my videos
I love.
mostly. I don't know. I like to watch my videos. I watch na every day some videos of me. I know. I don't know, but I
Okay,
watch.
so who is the inspiration you started this journey?
Um, I don't want to tell that name, but yeah, one of my family member. So not he, she always motivate me. Always in any situation, she always teach me as a life teacher, and she always motivate me everything. So she said me, firstly enhance yourself.
Mhm.
Like don't run from with success. Firstly, boost your confidence, boost your speed, then success will become beside
Okay.
you.
Okay,
Yeah.
okay. So in future, that is the person, that is your some of them who boosts your way of talking. So in future, if you reach your goal, so which is your goal and what is your upcoming future plan?
It is very secret. I don't
Oh,
wanna
it's
tell to
secret.
anyone.
Okay.
I never tell
Oh,
because
oh, okay, okay. No
yeah, but
matter. You
my
don't want to
funda is
share.
na. My funda is like do walk in silently and result ko
Okay.
तबाही मचाने दो.
Fine, fine. Yes, but after completing your education, which field you want to choose for better place?
I'm gonna fight some competitive exam. Yeah,
You want to work in government sector or private
yeah, yeah,
sector?
yeah.
Why?
I wanna work in government sector. Let's see what will be happen. I will do. I will give my 100%. Let's see.
I can see your attitude. I can see your smile. That is really you can do. You can reach your goal in short period. I must
What about you?
say.
What's your goal?
Well,
Uh,
I don't have too much expensive goal, but in future I want to travel, everywhere. That is my, I can
oh,
say that is my
you,
hobby.
you
But
wanna you wanna become a traveler,
yes,
exploring mostly places,
but
beautiful.
I don't know it's possible or not because this is the situation. I'm facing lots of difficulty. That's why I'm learning this skill because whenever I will visit any place, there is no any difficult I will face. There is no such types of any difficulty come across and I will not handle over this. So that's also the reason I am learning this skill and I achieve something. I achieve how to talk, how to talk with stranger like in foreign people. So I must appreciate you that like you, like some of my friends, they also motivate me. They also pressurize me. So come on live, come on talk, and these types of videos really benefit from my side. So I
Yeah, that's
definitely I
good.
will travel a lot in my future. I don't know, but in my intention I will travel.
Yeah, don't see future. Just do your 100%. One day you will definitely reach your goal. Don't see
Okay,
future.
okay.
Yeah,
So it's possible to next time to talk if
yeah.
you
Why
not
not?
feel bored.
Why
We
not? Why not?
Yeah,
Naren
because we
na.
are learner. We are learner. We can speak, we can talk because everyone love to talk with you. Is
I
it?
don't know. I don't know.
No, you don't know. You know, but you are not thinking that route. You
I don't know.
know
Let's
that
see.
everyone wants to talk to you, but you don't want to share this time that everyone know or not.
Oh, you are like.
Yes.
I think you are a face reader. Reader. I think you like to read. You know face
No,
reading.
no, 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 no. No, not only for face reader. I talk with many of my friends, but you were the something different. Your way of talking something different. You
Okay.
always, when you talk with someone, that person may be happy on that situation when they talk to you.
Okay.
Everything I can say everything gone on that time.
Okay. Okay. I think
Yeah.
it's a very long conversation. Nice to talk with you. See you later.
Yes.
We will talk definitely.
Yeah. See you another time.
Yeah.
Okay.
Bye bye. Have a nice
Okay. Bye
time.
bye. Yes. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you for your appreciation. Bye.